we are going to start the new topic, that is magnetic field due to electric current. Magnetic field due to electric current. The name itself says the magnetic field is produced when there is a flow of electric current. So, before understanding about this concept, we have to understand very well about the electric current. We already studied about the electric current. When there is a motion of the electron, there is a flow of electric current, we can say, right? When there is a motion of the electron, then we can say that there is a flow of electric current. So, electric current is defined as rate of flow of charges. Okay. So, the Oersted, scientist Hans Christian Oersted discovered that due to the flow of electric current, there is a magnetic field is produced. He did the experiment. While doing the experiment in the laboratory, the current flows through the current carrying conductor. He took a conductor AB and applied the voltage V battery through the battery. When switch is on, then there is a flow of current. Okay, when switch is on, there is a flow of current through the conductor. While doing the experiment, he observed that this current carrying conductor attract the iron filings. After that, he took near the conductor, that is compass with the needle. That needle starts to deflection. काय केला हान्स क्रिस्टियन ओएरस्टेडने एक्सपेरिमेंट करत असताना त्याला असं बघून जाणवलं की whenever there is a flow of current through the conductor मध्ये करंट फ्लो होत असताना स्विच ऑन केला तर करंट फ्लो होत असताना त्याच्या भोवती आपण टाचण्या किंवा आयन फिलिंग्स जवळ नेलं तर काय व्हायला लागलं, अट्रॅक्ट व्हायला लागले. नंतर काय केला तो कंपास which shows the magnetic field, त्यांनी काय केलं त्याच्या जवळ कंडक्टरच्या जवळ नेला की त्याच्यामधला नीडल डिफ्लेक्ट व्हायला सुरुवात झाली. त्याच्यावर काय समजलं, देयर इज ए कधी नीडल डिफ्लेक्ट होतं, कधी आयन फिलिंग्स अट्रॅक्ट होतात, जर तिथं मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड असेल तर. म्हणून त्यांनी सांगितलं इथं काहीतरी मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस होतं, म्हणून इथं आयन फिलिंग्स किंवा नीडल डिफ्लेक्शन दिसून येतं. नंतर काय केलं त्यांनी, आफ्टर दॅट ही ओपन दिस स्विच. When he opened this switch, he observed that iron filings fell down and the needle stops the deflection. Needle हा deflection करायचा स्टॉप झालं आणि iron filings fell down, म्हणजे iron filings पडून गेले. त्याच्यावर त्याला लक्षात आलं की नक्की इथं काहीतरी iron filings अट्रॅक्ट करणारा प्रॉपर्टी प्रोड्यूस झालेला. तो प्रॉपर्टी म्हणजेच काय, मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड. तिथं मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस झाला, म्हणजे हा कंडक्टर मॅग्नेट सारखा वर्क करतो, म्हणून त्यांनी सांगितलं. ओके, सो फर्स्ट डिस्कवर्ड बाय द ओएरस्टेड, द मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड इज प्रोड्यूस्ड ड्यू टू द फ्लो ऑफ करंट थ्रू द कंडक्टर इज डिस्कवर्ड बाय द ओएरस्टेड. मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस होतो कशामुळे, इलेक्ट्रिक करंट फ्लो झाल्यामुळे. हे कोण डिस्कवर केलं, ओएरस्टेड he discovered केलं. He is the first scientist. Okay. After that, many experiments did, Faraday's law, everything like that. But after that, one theory given by the Maxwell, that Maxwell gave the theory, that is the magnetic field and electric field. Magnetic field and electric field are magnetic field and electric field, this is E for electric field, B for magnetic field, are highly related to each other. म्हणून मॅक्सवेलने सांगितलं. त्याच्या त्या थेरीवरनं number of applications we are now using, that is in computers, in electronic devices. Everywhere we are using this Maxwell's theories application. Okay, so next, here we observe that due to the flow of electric current, magnetic field is produced. If two conductors are in parallel, काय झालं, दोन कंडक्टर तुम्हाला पॅरलल मध्ये दिलेले आहेत. The current carrying conductor I is the current carrying conductor for the wire 1. ह्याला म्हणू आपण wire 1. And another conductor, that is wire 2, is also having the current carrying. Is also there is a flow of current through the conductor. Both are made up of the same material and having the same physical properties. Okay. मग काय झालं, ह्या वायर मधून करंट फ्लो होत असताना झालं की याच्याभोवती काय झालं, मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस झाला ना, मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस झाला. तसंच वायर 2 मधून करंट फ्लो झाला तर तिथे देखील मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस झाला. आता बघा, मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस झालाय. व्हॉट इज द डिरेक्शन ऑफ द मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड, हे आपण ऑलरेडी 11वी मध्ये बघितलेलं आहे. whenever there is a flow of current through the conductor, the magnetic field is produced. The direction of the magnetic field is given by right hand rule, right hand thumb rule. What is the right hand thumb rule? Question है, what is the right hand thumb rule? According to the right hand thumb rule, whenever there is a flow of current through the conductor, it is hold in the right hand. काय करायचं आहे त्याला, right hand मध्ये hold करायचं आहे. Hold it in the right hand in such a way that thumb points out the direction of flow of current. Thumb points out the direction of flow of current. Then the remaining curved fingers around the conductor shows the direction of magnetic field. बघा, करंट फ्लो, कंडक्टर मध्ये करंट फ्लो होत आहे, तो वायर काय करायचा आहे, आपण आपल्या राईट हँड मध्ये होल्ड केलं. कसं होल्ड केलेलं आहे, करंटचं डिरेक्शन जो आहे तो दाखवणारा कोण आहे, आपला थंब. थंब शोज द डिरेक्शन ऑफ द फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. मग आता उरलेले 4 फिंगर्स जे असतात का नाही, ते वायरच्या भोवती कर्व झालेले, जे वायरच्या भोवती कर्व झालेले 4 फिंगर्स आहेत ते काय दाखवतात, डिरेक्शन ऑफ द मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड. मग आता याचा डिरेक्शन, मॅग्नेटिक फील्डचा डिरेक्शन असा कर्व फिंगर झालं ना, fingers, this shows the direction of the magnetic field. Okay, this is nothing but the right hand thumb rule. Through the right hand thumb rule we can show the direction of the magnetic field for current carrying conductor. So it is for 1 marks question. Give the right hand thumb rule. Okay, आता ह्या एक्सपेरिमेंट मध्ये आपण काय केलेलं आहे, 2 पॅरलल वायर्स घेतलेले आहेत, वायर 1 वायर 2. वायर 1 मधून पण करंट फ्लो होतं, वायर 2 मधून करंट फ्लो होतं. दोन्ही मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस करतात. मॅग्नेटिक फील्डचं डायरेक्शन इज अँटी क्लॉकवाईज, कारण अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन मध्ये करंट फ्लो होतं, म्हणजे अँटी क्लॉकवाईज आपल्याला मॅग्नेटिक फील्डचं डायरेक्शन मिळतं. ओके, सो आता करंट फ्लो होतं म्हणजे the electric intensity is also produced, right? Electric intensity is given by E is given by F upon Q. Now, let us consider a single charge Q moving through the wire. Let us consider a single charge Q is moving through the wire. It comes in the wire 1. It comes in the magnetic field of wire 2. आता तो काय झाला, कुणाच्या फील्ड मध्ये आला, वायर 2 चा मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड मध्ये आला. वायर 2 मध्ये देखील करंट फ्लो झाल्यामुळे मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस होतो. मग वायर 1 मधून फ्लो होणारा एक चार्ज आपण कन्सिडर केलेला आहे, तो चार्ज कुणाच्या फील्डमध्ये आला, वायर 2 च्या मॅग्नेटिक फील्डमध्ये आलेला आहे. सो आय कॅन शो द वेक्टर डायग्राम हियर. सो व्हॉट इज the direction of the flow of current of wire 1. wire 1 मधून फ्लो होणारा करंट असा आहे, म्हणजे current flows in the upward direction. Then what about the direction of the electron through the conductor? That is in downward direction, because we already studied about that. The conventional path of the electron is opposite to the flow of direction of the electron. The conventional path of the current is always opposite to the flow of electron. म्हणजे इलेक्ट्रॉनचा डिरेक्शन कुठे आहे, डाउनवर्ड डिरेक्शन मध्ये. That is velocity. We can consider the velocity moving electron. It is so having the velocity v. I is the current. Okay. Now I is the current, so the magnetic field is in this direction. Magnetic field is in this direction. So the force is, your electron is flowing here, right? Your electron is moving here. So the force is applied on the electron. There is a force is applied on the electron. We know that whenever the electron comes in the magnetic field, then there is a force applied on the electron. And there is a force applied on the electron. Okay. So that force is magnetic force. That force is magnetic force. That is Fm. Fm is equal to Fm is equal to charge, that is Q, electron charge, into vector product of magnetic field and velocity. So the net force on the electron F is equal to what? The net force on the electron F is equal to, due to the electric force as well as magnetic force, that is Fe plus Fm. Net force is Fe plus Fm. That is given as Fe is equal, so it is E is equal to F upon Q, therefore F is equal to what? EQ. So I can write Q into E, D plus Fm is Q into vector product of V cross B, velocity and magnetic field V cross B. So F, net force F is equal to Q into E plus V cross B is the net force act on the electron in a magnetic field due to the electromagnetic field. Net force act on the electron or charge due to the electromagnetic field. Okay, so it is given by, this formula is given by Lorentz. So it is called Lorentz formula. It is called Lorentz formula. This is the question for the 2 marks. Give the Lorentz formula. According to the Lorentz formula, the net force on a electron in a magnetic field is F is equal to Q into electric field plus vector product of velocity of the charge and magnetic field. So finally we can write this as F is equal to Q into E plus vector product means it is VB sin theta. It is VB sin theta. Okay. This is about the Lorentz force. बघा क्वेश्चन कसं विचारतं. क्वेश्चन विचारतं, right, state the right hand thumb rule, 1 marks question. What is the magnetic effect of electric current. Magnetic effect of electric current is nothing but the magnetic field produced due to the current carrying conductor or magnetic field produced due to the electric current. Okay. एक मार्क्स चे क्वेश्चन झाले. त्याच्यानंतर दुसरा third question, that is 2 marks question. It is state the expression for Lorentz force due to electric field as well as magnetic field. Question है state the expression for Lorentz force due to electric field as well as magnetic field. Or this question असे विचारू शकतात, state the factors which the magnetic force on charge depends upon. आता ह्याच्यावर आपण सांगू शकतो magnetic force of charge depends upon the electric field, velocity of the charge, magnetic field of the charge. It depends upon the amount of the charge, quantity of the charge, electric field, magnetic field, and velocity of the charge. Okay, these are the factors where the force on the charge depends.